Hey y'all, what's up? Happy Tuesday, August 25th. I popped up at 2:30 this morning. I have been answering all the messages. I finally got all you guys checked. I have 0 messages right now. So today we are preparing to leave. I don't know what time we're gonna leave yet. Waco is a 5-hour drive, but hurricane traffic is nightmarish. So I'm not exactly sure what time we're gonna leave, but yeah. So I'm gonna finish cooking all this meat, make our little meal preps, and start loading the car. So I wanted to tell you that yesterday when I went to go top off my gas tank, which I'm glad I did when I did, it took forever. The pumps are really low. Some gas stations are out of gasoline. Otherwise, I would do rideshare this morning, earn some cash. But, the gas stations are running out of gas. So that would be stupid to do rideshare, because if I use all my gasoline, how am I going to get to Waco to escape Laura? I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's one of the things about hurricanes is you better fill up when you can. So yeah, I'm gonna go cook and clean and pack. I'm gonna use my Snapchat to document this. I'm gonna document what I can. A lot of it's sit down and wait, or hurry up and wait, or whatever the saying is. Anyways, so yeah, my son, his alarm's going off, so I assume he's got to go to work today. So yeah, I don't want to leave without him. But we can't even check into our hotel until tomorrow at 3. So, anyways, I'll document what I can and show y'all what I can. A lot of it's going to be sitting around the hotel because, yeah. What else can you do? I don't know, but they just updated this thing. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's crazy. So now on the tracker, they're saying that Laura's going to be a Category 3 hurricane instead of a Category 2 hurricane. Which, I mean, we won't be here anyways, but that's just higher winds, higher pressure, higher tornadoes. Which, if I knew for a fact that we would not get any tornadoes, I would totally stay and watch the storm. But I'm not trying to get killed by a tornado, because you never know, hurricanes create them. But yeah, if I had that guarantee, you best believe I'd be sitting my happy butt right here and watching the storm from the inside. But it's not safe. Anyways, I'm gonna go cook. I gotta put some more laundry in. Like, when we leave here, we're not gonna have any laundry. We're not gonna have any dishes to do. And the refrigerator is gonna be completely cleaned out. So that's our goal today. Get everything cleaned out and cleaned up and packed and in the car. Let's do it. So I'm sitting down resting for a minute. The sound you hear, the water, is my dishwasher. This house is old, so our dishwasher is one of those that you roll it around and hook it up to the sink. Because otherwise I'd have to cut into my kitchen cabinets and all that, and I'm not doing all that because the house is old. But anyways, so I'm sitting down for a minute. I have pork chops in the crock pot. I'm thawing out our steaks. I'm gonna make those. I'm gonna smother them. And we have one more big pack of chicken. I gotta do something with that. And then we have some beef patties that I need to cook. And that's all the meat we have in the house. Gotta get that meat cooked. I've been steady making ice since yesterday because everybody's gonna be buying ice. So I don't know if they'll have any by the time we get there, you know, when we have the opportunity to buy ice. So we're just making our own. So yeah, my freezer is almost empty. It's so awesome. We're just putting everything in meal prep containers and putting them in the ice chest, and because we have a huge ice chest. And yeah, that's what we're gonna eat while we're on our hurricane. So, and yeah, just got laundry going, and that's it. So besides food, what else am I bringing? So somebody had asked me this yesterday and I forgot to answer. So I like to think of it worst case scenario. A tornado comes through and blows my house down. Well, what do you take whenever you think you're gonna lose everything? That's what you bring. I'm bringing all my pictures. Pictures are very important. My clothes, my toiletries, medicine, anything that's valuable to me. Now, I don't wear jewelry, so I don't have any jewelry I'll be bringing, but anything valuable, anything that means something to you. Also, one of the best investments that I've ever made was buying a portable safe. Birth certificates, passports, insurance papers, that comes with me too. But whenever you bring a safe with you, make sure to bring the key, because you don't keep your safe key with your car keys. You keep your safe key in a place that nobody knows where it is. So if you're gonna bring your safe, don't forget the key. You think that would be common sense? Okay, you see where the 3 is? I live right above that 3 right there. She's supposed to become a category 3 now. 115 mile per hour winds. Alrighty. This is your Laura update. Alright, we are officially hurricane ready. I got the last load of dishes washing. Food is cooked, prepped. We're gonna leave at 4 in the morning. And yeah, I think I'm gonna nap this afternoon. And then I'm gonna take my shower at about 2 in the morning and then load up the cold stuff. And yeah, get on the road. I'll definitely bring you guys with me, of course. But I'm excited to get to the hotel and swim in the hotel swimming pool, because you have to find a silver lining. So my silver lining is that I finally found a swimming pool. I haven't been swimming at all this summer because the lakes have been closed because of COVID-19. So yeah, I get to go swimming. What? I will tell you, the thing I'm looking forward to the most, not really, but sarcastically, is putting Savick in the cat cage. Savick is a free spirit. He doesn't like to be confined, and I don't blame him. But he's got to go in the cat cage. It's going to take both of us to get him in that cat cage.